To install Office 365 on your Mac, go to account.microsoft.com website. So the link is provided in the video description. So go to Microsoft website and then you have to log in with the account with Microsoft account which has the Office 365. So once you go to the website, you have to log in. So log in with the account which has the Office. Once you're logged in, go to subscription option. Once you go to subscription, you should be able to see Microsoft 365 over here, and then you can over here you can see install option, install desktop version of Office 365. So click on it, click on this, and then over here download and install for Mac. And when you scroll down over here, you will see install option. Hit install. Now it will download the file. Let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, you can click on this file, run this file. Now over here you can click on continue. Now agree, and if you want to install it for all users on of this computer, you can select this one and then hit continue once again, and then you will see install option. So hit install, enter your Mac password, the password with which you log into Mac, and then click on install software and let the process complete. Here now it's done. Close it. If you want to move this file to bin, you can move it, and then you can start launching. You can launch Word, Excel, whichever Office app you want to use, you can start using it. So this is how you can download or install Office 365 on your Mac. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.